The LG A20 here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy A20 straight talk. So the Galaxy A20 is not straight talk, so it's cool. So you guys want for a what the Samsung Prime Galaxy A20 is for checking out. Instructions are pretty decent. It is a budget phone, like I said. So here it is. So the Galaxy A20 has a take on nothing. Camera on there. Power button on the right side, so everywhere on the right side as well. You have an 18 button on the screen right there, nice little screen, nice little wallpaper and stuff like that. On the right side, like I said, power and 9 keys, the camera just like that, just put that on the back. On the back of the Galaxy A20, you also have a dual camera system in the back, camera flash, fingerprint sensor in the back, finger sensor in the back. I'm surprised there, I'm surprised with no trap on the video, so it's kind of interesting, you know what I'm saying? So, model number of the Galaxy A20 is S205DL. So, there we go. So, the Galaxy A20 has Wi-Fi, has 8, 211, 8BGN 2.4 Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.9, which is good. 6.4 inch HD plus, Super AMOLED display, 720 by 1560 pixels. Your dimensions are 6.24 inches height, 2.94 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. 31 hours of usage time, 3 GB of RAM, 3 GB of storage, which isn't too bad, and pretty decent for working on. A dual 13 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel camera. I read it wrong, so you have a 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel camera in the back, and an 8 megapixel front facing camera. So it's good. So it's, I don't know, it's the Galaxy A10e. But anyway, it says step up to the phone you've been waiting for with the Samsung Galaxy A20. Keep calling, emailing, and texting with their long-lasting battery and power backup quickly with fast charging. Keep more thanks to JJ with the local memory and capture the moments, dual lens camera, and then video, then view it all on the vibrant 6.4 inch headset to the menu display. Finally, the phone that fits you in your budget. So the Galaxy A20 is $229.99 for the retail price. If you guys make this one monthly, it's $14.52 a month credit. If you build on credit, it's $31.28 a month for 14 months. So, but if I was you, I would buy the phone for the retail price. That's just me. So the Galaxy A20 dimensions are again 6.24 inches height, 2.94 inches width, 0.31 inches depth. The phone was 5.96 ounces. 4,000 battery, which is really nice. It's not removable. 31 hour talk times, 13 days of standby time. CDMA for the TV. So you'll probably get Verizon service on this one. So you have Galaxy A20 in the box, along with the charger, battery, which is embedded in the phone, the activation card, shows its guide, and picks up everything. And of course, it says a service plan card is required for activation. Funds are not returnable or refundable. Service plan card is required for activation. I don't know this is that twice, but whatever. It says text SAS205DL for 611 to 611 for multiple disorders, alright? The Galaxy A20 has Android private memory UI. It says keep moving with 30 US built-in memory. You can keep more of the further shows, movies, and apps without having to delete too much memory. If you need more space, expanding your memory. So you can expand this storage up to I think 5 gigabytes of micro SD card. I think you do have micro SD card, so that's good. Each camera for any occasion featuring a dual lens. The Galaxy A20 is the only camera that may capture more of what you see in your shot, thanks to an ultra-wide camera. Shoot scenic photos with a 13 megapixel rear camera, or take flattering selfies with the 8 megapixel front camera. Long-lasting fast charging with an extensive 4,000 battery, more much better. The Galaxy A20 keeps up with you fast-paced life throughout the day and into the night. Whether when you need a boost, power back up quickly with fast charging, so that's real good. See more on the expensive screen upgrade interviews with the brilliant 16.4-inch Super AMOLED display, plus the large 100 display is edge-to-edge, so you never miss anything. So, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A20 is now at straight up to $229 right now for retail price, but you guys can pay more if you guys want to, but I don't recommend doing that. By the phone full retail price at $229 now, I think it's worth the money. I think it's worth the money because you're getting great specs and this is a budget phone, so if you have more. But this is a great budget phone here. Specs are really good. If you guys like Samsung phone and you guys want to get like a budget mid-range phone, this phone's worth checking out. Nice looking phone, look at that bumper, it looks very nice as well. It does have the window right from Samsung, and it does have file on there, so that's good. So do you guys have a Samsung Galaxy A20 straight up? So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you will have been on the like, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.